Oh my god, my eyes are so red. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I should not be recording after streaming. There are streamers out there who dedicate their time and effort into entertaining people in the culture of the web. Sometimes that's including either stunts, dares, particular things that chat recommends them to do, or even the most popular thing they use for is channel points. Channel points, if any of you guys do not know what that is, basically it's about generating a completely random generated number of points that you be able to redeem when you're watching a stream within a particular period of time. So people can actually redeem them and do random stuff like become VIP, get free random stuff, or make the stream completely out of whack within what they can do with soundboards and affects the whole stream. What that is this particular noise that what this is this. What happened tonight on my HookSniffer stream, chat decided to take advantage of how cheap my bonk is, and let's just start this whole thing off by having me having almost been suspended from my game because my chat decided to do a bonk, and what I do is for my bonk, I pretend to get knocked out, like so, become a ragdoll on stream, no matter what I'm doing, including rank on Overwatch. No, Toby and...
No, I can't glide back up.
And this is a very ha-ha fun entertaining watching a man being completely bonked out and knocked down on this chair. What does not make it really enjoyable for me though is I was this close. I'm not even exaggerating. This is a second. I was a second away from being suspended from this game. And you do not want to get suspended from Overwatch because if you get suspended, you have a high chance of getting banned from the whole season. Sometimes when you leave the game, sometimes when you AFK from the game, and other times when you have a completely disconnection and it actually still suspends you even though you have a disconnection from the game. For my case, I was being bonked. I would love to try and explain it to Blizzard saying, hello Blizzard, I'm going to try and get my account back from not being suspended because I got knocked out by my chat while streaming.
Look, Toby's AFK, I can't do a whole lot.
Why is this guy saying learn off maps faster?
Yeah. As any other person, they'll be trying to play the game properly and trying to learn the game and trying to learn DPS and support with me playing DPS. Me getting knocked out and becoming a millisecond away from being suspended from the game, of course, I'm a bit pissed. Okay, for fuck's sakes. Including my own teammates as well, who are both honestly degenerates. They would make fun of the game, they'll make fun of people playing the game, and they'll just have a fun time playing the game, bullying each other, and bullying me as well. Even they were having a go at chat for almost getting me suspended from the game. Yeah, don't do that, please, Shadow. That's very fucking dangerous.
What did Shadow do?
He almost got me suspended from the game.
Why?
Because he bonked me in the head.
Shadow, please don't do that, bro.
Yeah, like I said, that's what I just said, yeah. Yeah, it's very fucking dangerous.
Shadow, I beg you, bro. Like...
After that whole fiasco was over, we won the game, thank God. Now, probably another game after that, I was reacting to a clip of me playing Torbjorn, and then the unthinkable happened. I got bonked again, but this time it was getting a bit ridiculous at this point. Thank you for that. That was actually amazing. Thank you for that. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. And how it works is, in order to wake me up from being knocked out, you have to play a different sound to wake me up, and I get reactivated from being dead. It's a bit of a weird thing of like a concept that was completely improvised, that was not completely planned. I just thought it'd be funny if I did that. It was like me getting Avada Kedavra with the Lord Voldemort sound effect and getting killed, basically. But bonk in the head being knocked out is just equally as funny. But this case, the people on my chat decided to bring it on a little bit longer to decide to wake me up. So they wanted to see how long I could last in particular slouching position or being in a ragdoll effect to see how long it'll take me for me to snap. But thankfully, I'm a Chad and I go by my word and I do not waste anyone's points, channel point.
Hello there.
Yeah.
How long do we wait?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, appreciate that. Thank you. That was really...
Can we load either?
Yeah. Ah, Jesus Christ! That was so funny. That was so funny. I was getting bonked around so much, I was rolling around through my chair to the point how I was falling on the floor. For more of a, comedic purposes, trying to be a streamer, trying to grow on this platform while trying to be entertaining it to the most smallest amount of degenerates as possible. Yeah, okay, I'm back. Hello, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back now. Quite frankly, I was giggling a fair bit when this process was happening. Luckily, I changed the scene to make it a bit more interesting to see a little tiny webcam of a little hook there being fall on the floor and just completely knocked down the floor dead dry. While also my friends who were part of the group to knock me out was giggling in the microphone on the game server. Okay, back. Okay, back. Stop it! I need it. Stop it! First, when I was doing this, I thought it was quite funny because I did not know how long it was going to go for. I did not know how much is going to get dragged on. So at this point, I was pretty much into it. It was funny. And I just kept on going on and off. And I thought it was pretty interesting. I need to get up! Okay. Okay, please stop. I need to get up. Stop it. Stop it. I was literally being revived and completely dropped dead again. Like in Call of Duty Zombies in a Black Ops series, you get revived and then canceling animation, causing you to die again, even though you're trying to revive them. As soon as they get back up, they get dropped dead on the ground by zombies in the round 35. Please, stop begging you. Please. 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 After reading just 3 words saying no more money, I felt relief. I felt like everything that I was praying for that could be good in my life has actually happened. Chat has ran out of points, so I was very, very happy about that. Unfortunately, there was more than one person who was doing it. That was so painful. I'm starting to regret everything I thought of that was funny and regretted heavily of having my channel points being only 10 points from my stream channel points of being bonked. So now more and more people have decided to join in on the bonk itself and then just completely going apeshit on this. The longer I fall on the floor and be knocked out for while live on Twitch, the funnier it gets. People started to really thought the idea of just me basically leaving me there on the floor and just seeing like what happens if a random person decided to come into stream and to see a guy on the floor dead. I don't know. Sounds funny for me at the time, not anymore right now as recording this. Yeah. At this point, my friend who caused that last bonk started giggling, and every time I hear someone giggle or laugh, it's a contagious thing. I have to giggle and laugh. And you can actually see me sometimes even breathing in and out of me giggling, and I thought it was quite funny actually. Imagine being a person coming into the stream saying, oh, this guy looks pretty cool. His name's called HookSniffer. I wonder what he's doing. Clicks on it, seeing a man on the floor with a word caption underneath it saying boob cam. Pretty good first impression if you ask me. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh. After what felt like at least a good few minutes, I was starting to drift off to sleep because of how comfortable position was on the floor. But then I got woken up again. Chat loved the idea of me just laying there down on the floor to the point how chat decided to say, let's just leave him there for the whole stream. That'd be kind of funny. Honestly, at this point, I would love that. It would have been really funny if they did that. Oh.
Nice. Oh, okay, there we go, Shadow.
Yeah, straight through maybe 30 of each species, roughly. Wow. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. Must have been a factor. Did you think to yourself, when I got to the 141,
My friends were in a lobby with me, waiting for me to get up from being bonked in the head, but it's been getting such a long time, one of them even decided to flat out leave.
Can you invite me when you're about to play a game, please?
If I was a viewer watching this, I'd probably just be watching the pretty colors flashing differently while looking at my keyboard flashing black and red. Because if I was degenerate like my viewers, I'd just be sitting back, kicking back, listening to the music while watching a dead guy on the floor. Oh. Oh. After feeling like Ash from Evil Dead, I finally become awoken, feeling myself in a slumber for the past 3,000 years, and I completely overslept my clock, finding out how long I've been awake for, and regretting doing this entire bit in the first place, while also kind of feeling a bit parched because I was actually drifting to sleep in a very comfortable position.
Oh my.
Stop. Enough. The joke's on myself, I completely got knocked out again.
Hold on, I'll do it. Oh, never mind. Don't do it.
I'm so glad to have my chats being a very mature bunch of individuals who completely care about me and just really want to prioritize my safety. Stop it! Stop it! I'm over it! I'm over it! Stop it! One of my chatters just loved the idea of just knocking me out and knocking me back up again, AO, and just watching me just completely being in shambles of my emotions of just me just trying to get up and trying to tell everyone to stop bonking me. And one of my chatters, aka one of my teammates, just kept on laughing and giggling and just knocking me out each time. Stop! Stop! Stop it! I'm actually quite happy to hear the bonk, so I can just wake up and try to attempt to get back to my actual desk, but then it happened again.
Oh, Hook, you know the other guy left?
Fuck. Stop
that
it!
sleepy guy
Now! The progression this continues on, the more sanity I start to lose from my remaining 5% from my brain until I completely start snapping. Every time I wake up, I try to just try and calm down chat and just say I have enough, but guess what? It was not enough. Stop it!
We playing?
Stop! Stop it! Please! Stop it! My chat has tried their very best to get me the most uncomfortable position as possible so they can leave me there for as long as I can actually go for until I see how long I can break to make it look like I'm actually dead. And quite frankly, that's pretty funny. I've now decided to snap and now trying to convince everyone to say, stop it. It's ended. I was getting so sick of it and I just try my very best to quickly get up and try to address my frustration with, me just yelling.
I'm gonna go play a game.
Stop! Stop! Enough! Enough, please! Enough! I am just glad to be sitting on my chair after this entire time being on the floor. And then this most amazing thing happened. This is probably the most impactful bonk I've ever had, aka by almost chipping my jaw on the desk. Then I became the escalator stuntman from Ggwp 4. Stop, please. Come on, guys. Please. Stop. Please. Please stop. Please.
Hello there.
Thank you.
Sit up, great son. I'm
Oh
worried
my
about
god, that
you.
was... Thank you for the follow. After this chat seeing me getting hit on the chin on the desk, I would have thought that chat would be like, okay, we should probably stop now. This guy actually almost injured himself. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Please. Stop. Please. Stop. Stop, please. Please. Still, no one really cared at the fact that I almost injured myself, and now chat decided to prioritize the clip that they made from me of doing that said injury, potential injury.
Oh my god, guys, look at this clip.
Yeah.
Look at this
Oh
clip.
god. Please.
Hit.
Please.
You hear him hit the table.
Stop
Look at
it.
this clip. Look at this tip. Look at this
Please. Stop. Stop.
clip. That hook. Look at the clip. Surely.
I would love to do anything on stream. After potentially even snapping at my chat and my friend who's even wanted me to even see the clip, I just completely just gave up and just accepted my fate at this point. Out. Please. Enough. The next time I actually got woken up again, I had to take drastic actions by being the most mature person as possible to try and address the situation and try to resolve it so I can continue on the stream. Because at this point, it's been long enough for everyone to even bother to leave. I'm surprised people in the chat just stayed there because of all this chaos happening. Honestly, I'm just happy to even do this because me processing all this information in my head from closing my eyes and being a ragdoll on the floor, I just thought this is a great YouTube video. And that's what basically this is. So enjoy the rest of the show. Please. Please. Come on, please.
Oh, I've been banned.
Damn. I'm gonna go play a game. Tell me why.
Please stop, guys. Please stop. Please stop. The bonking has gone long enough, and this is the only time and the only thing that actually convinced me to think that Hook, you need to stop this. It's gonna keep on going forever and ever. Getting donated by chat. Need to continue my stream. Oh shit.
Wasted 10 Australian dollars.
Oh
For the
shit.
next-
To try and be a funny content entertainer, I just thought maybe one more bonk would be kind of funny, even though I got donated $10. So I thought it was kind of funny to do. Okay. Donation cancelled it, guys. Donation cancelled it. Thank you so much for the 10.
Yeah, but you're not in a game right now, so it doesn't work.
Yeah, it does. I should really make the channel point increasingly more expensive so this would never happen again.
You're not in the game yet.
It counts. It counts. Thank you for that. No, I'm not doing it. No, that's a funny YouTube video. That's enough. I'm making it as a YouTube video. That's amazing.
Can you untime me out, Hook?
Okay. I don't know how to do that. Sorry, man. Thank you though. Thank you though. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Are we actually playing?
Yeah, yeah. After being bonked back and forth, the hell of 17 minutes, almost 20 minutes has finally ended. So let this be a lesson to newer streamers, very small content creators out there, to be very careful with how cheap you do make your redeeming points for your actual Twitch itself. Because chats like my chatters can quite frankly make your whole life a living hell. It depends what kind of chat you do and depends on what kind of redeeming for the actual channel points you do use. So thank you for watching this lesson of how to be very careful with your redeeming points, because quite frankly, this was kind of fun to do, but halfway through, I almost injured myself. So just take this whole thing as a grain of salt. See this only as a funny video, but quite frankly, I thought it was a great video. So thank you so much for watching this. Honestly, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for watching me suffer and progressively going from funny haha to kill me please, I want to die. It was quite hell at that some points. So thank you for watching today's episode. My name is HookSniffer. You've been watching this video far enough to even reach this point. You're amazing. You're a great, amazing hooker, and I love you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.